Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and assemble these ring pop theme class rings. They came out so cute. I completely love the way my templates came out and I wanted to share these with you guys. I have been getting some emails of people been asking me if I can just make printable graduation favors that don't have to be edited. So I went ahead and began making them and added them to the website. So the first ones that I made was the class rings. I just felt like the idea was so cute and it'll be the perfect party favor if you're having a graduation party for your graduate. So I already added some colors to the website, and if you don't see the color that you want, definitely reach out to me on the site so I can go ahead and add the color that matches with your graduation party. So you'll head over to the website at creativecraftingllc.com and you'll go into the graduation section. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to make it easier. And then you can find the ring pop templates in my graduation section, and then these are all instant downloads. So once you purchase them, a download box will pop up during your checkout. One thing what I would advise you guys is to make sure that you're putting your correct email address when you check out, because a download box pops up during checkout, but most of the time they also send you a link to your email as well. So once you check out, you can just go ahead and print these. You don't have to edit these at all because they're already pre-designed. So basically you check out, you download it, and you can just go ahead and go straight to print. Make sure you're printing these on landscape and not portrait. So make sure that your printer is set to landscape when you are printing these. Now when you print them, they come two ring pop templates on one page, okay? And they look just like this. I printed this on my laser printer and I use glossy photo paper. I will leave the type of paper that I use down below in the description box as well. I got it from Amazon using the Amazon Prime. I'm sorry about all the noise in the background, guys. I'm actually in my room and then it's just a lot of noise happening outside right now. So anyways, I'm sorry. I printed these on glossy photo paper and they print two ring pop templates per sheet, okay? And this is how they printed out. Very nice, very glossy. The colors were like extremely popping. Like I love the way these turned out. This was a brilliant idea, okay? Now, I also wanted to share a little tip because someone had reached out to me and said that when they're printing their templates with that has black images, the images smudge. So I found it best to print these whenever you're doing like black images. I found it best to print them using a laser printer and not an inkjet. But yeah, I'm sorry. I was just trying to show you guys the bag of ring pops that I had bought, and I bought those from Walmart for about $7, and it came with like 20 ring pops in one bag for $7, which is not bad at all. They also have it available at Amazon as well. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and cut these out, and you want to cut directly down the center of your page. Okay, so you can separate each of the ring pop templates because they come two to a sheet. So we want to just go ahead and cut each one out, and you don't have to use a cutting machine or anything. You can just use a regular pair of scissors because the images are so big. So just go ahead and cut out both of your ring pop templates, and then we're going to go ahead and assemble these. And the assembly is so quick, so easy. All you need, of course, is your scissor. I'm using a glue gun. If you want to use double-sided tape, you can. I'm so used to using a glue gun, so that's what I use. But yeah, but all you need basically is your glossy paper. You need to have a pair of scissors and then either double-sided tape or your glue gun, and that's it. And this is exactly how it looks once we cut it out, and it's super cute, super easy to put together. We're going to be cutting where the fold lines are, which is going to be by where the glitter is. So basically we're going to be cutting down right above each part of the glitter on each side. So you guys be able to see how I'm doing it right here. And that will end up being the center or the front part of your ring pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fold down each side. Okay. We want to make sure that none of our glitter is border is going to be showing on the back. Okay, so this is how it should look. Just go ahead and fold down on your fold lines right where the glitter border is. Okay, and that's it. That's basically how we're going to assemble these together. And then once you do that, you go ahead and turn back over to the back, and then we're going to go ahead and either use our glue gun or double-sided tape. And it's super easy. I just went ahead and refolded it because I saw that it was a little bit uneven on one end. So I just went ahead and refolded that, and that's how it looks. Okay, and this is how it looks on the back side. Okay, and we're going to put glue on only one tab of that back side, and I'm going to show you where. We're going to put glue on the side that says the birthday facts. Okay, I know it says birthday and it's graduation, forgive me, but it says birthday facts, and we're going to put the glue down on that one tab. Okay, now one thing I want to show you is the back of how the ring pop looks. I'll show you guys here in a second. Now I'm not going to glue these with the ring pop in the inside. I'm going to take it out because I found that it makes it easier to put the glue on without the ring pop in the inside. Okay, because the ring pop is kind of bulky on one end because of the ring pop, because of the candy itself. So it is best to go ahead and glue this without the ring pop in it. And you see how I went and I put the glue down on that tab by the birthday facts, and then just go ahead and lay the other side down flat. You are going to have a flap that sticks up, but that's okay. That's part of the ring pop design, because as you can see on the regular ring pop, they do have a flap that sticks out just like that. So basically it's just mimicking the regular ring pop template that's already on the ring pop candy. So that flap is just a part of the design. Just go ahead and leave that. You don't have to cut it off or anything. Now that we have our template glue closed, we're going to go ahead and stick our ring pop in the inside. Then I'm going to turn the ring pop to the side. I'm going to bend down the edge and kind of fold it. That'll make it easier when you go ahead and glue it and close that ring pop. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and dabble it with some glue gun, and then just go ahead and press back down on that little fold that we had just made. And that's how simple and easy it is, guys. Literally, it only takes a few minutes to put a bunch of these together, and just go ahead and throw them on your dessert table or wherever your cake is, or your candy table, and there you go, your own custom class rings. Okay, and just like I said, if you want a specific, because I didn't put up a bunch of different colors yet, I'm getting to it. Every day I'm putting up new designs, but if you want a specific color theme for your that matches like your school colors, definitely reach out to me on the website and say, hey, I like the ring pops, can you do it in pink and gold, or red and white, or whatever the color might be that you need, and then I'll go ahead and I'll try to upload it onto the website within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut off the extra. If you have any overlapping, or if any of the black folding lines are showing, just go ahead and cut that off on the sides, and that's it. That's how our class ring looks. Super simple, super easy. You can make them in your school colors or different colors. It's really up to you. This is how the back of it looks. 2023 graduate. I know on the template the 2023 graduate looks upside down, but it only looks like that because of course we have to fold it upward. Okay, but yeah, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and do another one on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up, and then I'll come back and show you guys just basically like how they all look together once I assemble all of them. Okay, gotta be something different. It must be made for me. Places Okay guys, so now that I finished putting them together and stuffing them, this is how they looked. Our ring pops came out super duper cute. I'm loving this. So like I said guys, if there's a color that you guys want that I don't have on the website, just go ahead and reach out to me with the chat with us, and I'll go ahead and definitely add the color up within 24 to 48 hours. These are super super cute. What a fantastic idea. If you love this, definitely give me a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be dropping a bunch more favor videos for you guys, especially the ones where you don't have to edit, because that makes it easier for you guys. But if you made it through this entire video, thank you so much guys. I appreciate it, and like always, God bless. Gotta be something different. It must be